Hey bro, come on, be quick. We are getting late.
Yeah, bro. I'm coming in 2 minutes.
Are you going to bring Maggie in 2 minutes? Hey, what are you doing all this? Listen to me. I will show you some magic. Want to see?
You're going to show magic? Really?
Yes. See how I will ride the bicycle, leaving the handle.
Okay. Don't do all this. Otherwise, we both will fall and I will not be able to reach school. Instead, we will reach hospital.
Just watch it once, my friend. Please, just once.
No. I told you no. No, don't do it.
All right, bro. Let it be.
Hey, bro. Don't do it right now. Okay? You leave your hands only when I tell you to do so. Okay? Now come on. Let's go straight to school.
This guy does not allow me to do anything. He considers me as his driver. Wait, I will teach him a lesson.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
Hey Sukuta, you can't even do the homework given to you by the teacher and you are proudly singing, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, you will overcome, as if it's a cakewalk.
Hey bro, please don't say like that. My time will also come soon.
Hey Sukuta, hey bro, your time will come soon. Time does not come on its own. You need to work hard to get your own time. And time does not wait for anyone. Got it?
Got it. Hey Gaura, don't eat my head with your big fat lectures.
Hey bro, just tell me one thing. Have you done your homework today or no?
Yeah, I've done it. Got up in the morning, brushed my teeth, did my bath, had breakfast, ate chapati and bananas and then got ready for school. And now I'm coming with you and my homework is complete. Got it?
Hey Sukuta, you think you are too smart? Huh? Do you call all this work as your homework? Rubbish.
Hey, is this all not homework? So would you call it as office work or what? What do you mean by house?
Home.
What do you mean by task?
Work.
So that means what task you do in the house is called as homework. If not, then you tell me, what do you mean by homework?
Listen, sir gave us a project on science and maths, right? So the project that you work on at home is called as homework. Got it?
So this means what all I did is not homework?
No.
So did you do your homework then?
Hey bro, if I will do the homework, then what will sir do?
Hey Gaura, you are really smart. So then tell me, who is the world's greatest mathematician?
Mathematician, world's greatest mathematician. Got it. Alia Bhatt.
What are you saying? Alia Bhatt?
Then you tell me.
It's not Alia Bhatt. It's RJ Bhatt. He is the world's best mathematician. Understood?
Hey, I said the same thing. I guess you made a mistake in listening. You do not listen properly.
What did you say? My ears are not proper.
Oh God, even I said the same name. First of all, you don't listen properly and then you scold me on top of it. Huh?
No. You said Alia Bhatt.
No, man. I said RJ Bhatt, okay?
Alia Bhatt.
I said RJ Bhatt.
Alia.
RJ Bhatt.
Alia.
RJ Bhatt.
Alia.
RJ Bhatt. Okay. You are right. Leave it now. Oh God, Mom! My hand is fractured.
Mom, my hand is fractured.
My hand is fractured. My hand is fractured.
Hey, you want to kill me or what? Mom, my hand is paining badly.
Now what did I do? You only asked me to leave it. That is why I left.
Mom, it's paining badly.
Hey Sukuta, what is the lesson for today?
What will we learn out of this? My hand is paining badly. What is there to learn here?
We learned a lesson from all this is, if we fall in trouble anytime, we should not leave our hands. Got it? Oh God, save me. My knee is paining.
मग